A beautiful game esiyibukele kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not saying ukuthi they are there, but the little that I see kulena kule match, it shows me ukuthi coach knows what he is doing and he know what he is capable of. Because if you see the energy Chiefs, the combination play that they play, and you see indlela quick ngayo ukubheka phambili, also those combination ukubheka phambili, if you can see the goals abazikorileyo, it came from combination passes where you see Chislet, Maboy, Nantsika, Vilakazi pha eswini bebonakalisa ukuthi what they are capable of. Let's hope ukuthi i-performance esizawuloko siyibona. I like the way abadlale ngakhona. Let's hope ukuthi ibingeyo ndlela nje aba-impressa ngayo unantsika ku-coach. Let's hope ukuthi the performance esiyibonileyo, they will build from it. Otherwise, Coach Da Cruz, I don't want to say or prize him ukuthi he's a good coach or the best coach that i-Chiefs ibimnida, but I like the fact that he believes kwi-Nantsika kwezintwana zincinci, and also he is willing to give them i-Nantsika chance or opportunity. Judging from the first game ebeyidlala, I like the way he approached the game. Also, I like the way he sees the game, because if you can see kwi-first half uzibonile mistake exactly ezaa mistakes nam bendizibona coming from i-Nantsika i-half time, ubuye ezilungise zonke ezaa Nantsika ezaa mistakes, then you see ukuthi i-Chiefs yatsho yadlala ibhola enantsikayo entle ke ngoku. You see combination passes, you see amajita indlela ebedlala ngayo, also the goals they scored, it came from i-Nantsika combination plays. They created chances, they opened spaces, they forced the opponent to